Hey guys, I'm so disappointed this morning. Something came through my backyard, tore up my raised bed garden. Look at that. This is a huge hole I have down here. I have one, this is a kale that survived. One pak choy over there. This is another kale. Now there's a huge hole in this one. They didn't touch this carrot bed, whatever it was. It didn't touch this carrot bed. Over here I have another huge hole in this one. I had switch jarred in this bin, in this raised bed. That's gone. This is just a leaf, ear of something. This is a kale in this one. There's a Swiss chard leaf here. Oh, I can try plant back this one. So that's the only thing survive out of this bed. They tore it up. Everything torn out of this one. For this carrot bed, they didn't touch this carrot bed, whatever it was. It went into this bed as well. Tore up this one. It's all torn up. It didn't touch my bell pepper in the corner up there. That's a bell pepper. So this one is torn up. Not this one. That's a carrot. That one is gone. It didn't touch that bed right there. Sorry, the sun glare. It went in this one. All the dirt is on the side there. It's torn up. All torn up. I'm so mad. I'm really mad about this. Anyway, I think I have to start again. I'll have to start all over. So that's it. That's what I'm griping about today. Well, at least for this morning, I'm griping about this.